stairs that used to be carpeted. They were finished out here on this edge, carpeted up the middle, so they didn't do anything to finish this part. And then from here on up to the top, they were just pine treads that were covered completely with carpet, so they weren't done nicely. I have redone those, and I will show you how I did those to get the pieces put in there. But now I'm working on getting things ready to finish. Since there was a lot of carpeting on here, there's a lot of tacks to finish, to clean up, to get out, to patch. And so I'm going to be working on that and then show you what I'm doing to make these a new nice set of finished stairs, red oak treads, and painted fronts. I'm using this 1/4" MDF to face the front of the kicks, and to get them to fit nice, I made this little piece here that I take up, I set in place, and I just use a little tape to basically make a stencil. So I'll put this in there. It fits nice on this side, I can check that angle. And then this, I just put the tape on there until it fits nice. So now I know exactly where my cuts need to be. I'm leaving the top a little bit long, so when I set it in there, I'll scribe the back of it once I get it in place, and then I'll know how high to make it. So after I cut it, then I can put the template back on there and make sure I think it lines up really good, which it looks great. The angle's nice. So I can trim the rest of the pieces out and go test it. Let's go ahead and check it out. That's a little bit loose, but it fits real nice right here. So I'm going to use that one for that. And use this one as my template for this one and make another one a little bit longer. There, those fit really well. Now I just need to trim the height. There, those fit really good. Nice and tight on the sides, and they're right at the same height as these fillers I put in. These stairs get narrower as they go up, so my little template piece fits tight everywhere except for this top edge right here. It's a little bit loose, so I can mark that with the tape. Got my perfect template. There we go. Good job, Porter. We made these treads up in the shop. after I make that first cut, I see how it lines up with the template again, make sure my angle looks good. Sometimes I want to tweak it like a 1/4 of a degree, an 1/8 of a degree, almost nothing. And trim that back edge just a little bit. That looks really good. I'm gonna go try this one. That one's pretty good. On to the next one. Meh.